Same daddy. All right. Coming up. Oh man. Yeah, baby. Woo! Yeah, oh. This was their house, but the dogs owned it. The humans just lived here. And you got wet padding that was pulled up. And you know that that was from pee and poop. There was a little bit of green diarrhea type dried up poop there before. But man, like even though all that stuff happened, it still smells so much better in here. So you got urine all in a closet. It's strange. Then you got more urine alone. Why couldn't you just go into the bathroom? You're right here. Looks like the bathroom's flooded. Hey. Yeah.
It overflowed the tub in here. You had something stuck in here.
Yeah.
I just went like this and squeezed it overflowed the tub.
Oh, you know what? He told me that.